Come, come. Yes. Look here. Look here, sir. Wait.
हाँ इधर ही धंधे पे
Wait, sir. Look here. Excuse me, sir.
जाना चाहेंगे अगर एक साइडेड आप हैं तो एक साइडेड
Wait. आज हम कुछ अनाउंसमेंट करके ही जाएंगे मोदी जी।
उसका वैक्सीन अगर 1 साल के अंदर आया है 1 साल से नहीं आपके वैक्सीन के पीछे हैं थैंक यू
एक मिनट
Yeah, come. Hi. How are you?
थैंक यू
Finally, sir. Nice. बिना ऐसे देखे।
मैम लुक हियर मैम सेंटर
अब देखो इन्हें
ये कैमरा यस वन लुक हियर
देखने के लिए सब जानना चाहते हैं कि कलेक्शन क्या है शाइन चल
हाँ
उसमें करेक्शन यस
अरुण काम में ध्यान दे थोड़ा
लुकिए सर वेट
हासिम उधर है हासिम इधर धंधे में ध्यान दो भाई थोड़ा पीछे हो जाता हाथ आ रहा
वेट सर लुकिए सर
थोड़ा पीछे होके ले ले
भाई तेरा कैसे लगाना है ऐसे लेके
अरे आगे से होता है किधर से होता है गांव से आया पहली बार कर रहा है
ओ ये बेबी न्यूज किसका थोड़ा नीचे करो
दे इधर
हैज़ बीन ब्लेस्ड ईयर, यानी कि 2021 में ही इज़ राइट के वैक्सीन आ गए। हमने भी सोचा कि ईयर की शुरुआत करनी है तो एक किकस्टार्ट इवेंट से करते हैं। सो ब्लैंक कैनवस जो मेरी और रोहित रेड्डी की कंपनी है, वी प्लान दिस फर्स्ट कैलेंडर, और इस कैलेंडर से वी वांट टू अनाउंस द ईयर थ्रू आउट द ईयर कि हमें बहुत सारी खुशियाँ मिले इस साल में, और इस साल के बेसिकली हम थ्रू आउट द ईयर इनफ अच्छा काम करें मीडिया में, इंडस्ट्री में, ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में, और काफ़ी सारे फेसेस को अलग अलग तरीके से, अलग अलग कैंपेन से हम आगे उनको ला के दिखा सकें।
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू। नेत्रा, आइए सर।
कम ना आप आओ देखो मेरे साथ क्या
Yeah, you're doing whole soul every day.
I need
We running around for the last 4-5 days and
4-5
not slept for the last 30 days, you should say.
I can understand that. I am very excited to see because मैंने देखा नहीं अभी so इसलिए excitement और ज़्यादा है, and as if now Parimal just told me that they have been running around past 30 days and I can really understand कि कितना hard work लगता है. So I wish them all the very best and I'm looking forward because ब्राइडल एक ऐसा कलेक्शन होता है जो बहुत अमेजिंग होता है. मुझे पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि लहंगे डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स एंड कलर्स एंड जो उसमें डिटेलिंग्स होती हैं वो मेरी काफ़ी फेवरेट रहती हैं. सो आई एम सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सी दैट. नहीं, आई एम नॉट देयर. आई थिंक नेक्स्ट ईयर आई शुड बी देयर.
Next year you'll find
Next
her.
year. So this is the proof they're saying in next year. I'm
Yeah,
there in
we've
the
committed.
calendar.
We've committed.
always we are on our own words
नहीं, मुझे नहीं because मैं नहीं हूँ ना. So but otherwise I'll get a surprise as in I'll see their collection. So I'm looking forward. Definitely it's going to be a surprise क्योंकि calendar अभी मैंने देखा नहीं है. I am to expecting a lot because I think मेरा 2021 बहुत अच्छा start हुआ. Exactly रात के 12 बजे मैं अपना close-up shot दे रही थी. So I was busy shooting. I've just got back to Bombay and I'm looking forward कि पूरा साल मैं ऐसे ही काम करती रहूँ and I wish them all the very best because एक कैलेंडर लॉन्च है और कैलेंडर की डेट्स बहुत मायने रखती है हम सब एक्टर्स की लाइफ में भी और सबकी लाइफ में. सो आई होप वो कैलेंडर पूरे साल भरा रहे. थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम सो रिलीव्ड. आई एम सो रिलीव्ड बिकॉज हम अभी बहुत मास्क वास्क पहन के अपना काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत मेंटेन कर रहे हैं सारे नॉर्म्स. बट आफ्टर वैक्सीनेशन आई एम श्योर कि लाइफ थोड़ी ईजी हो जाएगी हम सब के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
yeah please yeah sure. आप आओ ना पर
Just tell. हाँ, एक मिनट आप. We have next week Baman Nadi Cake.
आओ ना
They've come. I'll just get them here.
yeah sure परिमल हाँ all yeah no seriously but हम लोग बहुत मोटे हैं please
Hey, go on. We look lean only because the kind of stylings you guys do.
but you're looking so great.
Yeah, I'm just thinking. Simran?
Simran yeah
Sorry. सर आइए. नीलेश जी.
मेरे ख्याल से आप भी जाना चाहेंगे, उतनी एक्साइटेड आप हैं जितने एक्साइटेड हम हैं. मोदी जी
आज हम कुछ अनाउंसमेंट करके ही जाएंगे मोदी जी के लिए.
एक्चुअली मैं पढ़ रहा था कि जितनी बड़ी बीमारी थी, जितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी, उसका वैक्सीन अगर 1 साल के अंदर आया है, 1 साल भी नहीं आप कह सकते, आई थिंक कोई 9-10 महीनों में. सो आई थिंक दैट्स रियली वैक्सीन के पीछे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.
Yeah, come. Hi. How are you?
Nice to meet you. Anita,
Riddhi?
come. Hi.
She's also not recognizing you, and you also not recognizing her.
Yes.
I told her Madhura is standing. Madhura is standing. She's saying, "Acha,
Where
kaun?"
is she? How are you?
Come, Madhura.
Feels so odd now, like these public gatherings after Corona. Am I early or am I late?
No, you're perfect on time.
Ah, thank God.
Not early,
Like,
not late.
It's like, I don't know what the timings are anymore after this
After this
Corona.
COVID, we don't even know what timing
Yeah.
we should keep.
Keep,
We are
yeah,
confused.
yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
Where am I looking? Which camera? I'm very excited to see the calendar because my friend has shot it. Priyank ने shoot किया हुआ है and I know them for years now, so I'm very happy about this calendar. (2020) में सबका एक ही experience था, I think. All of us were locked in, so 2020 was very challenging. जैसा कि सबके लिए था वैसा ही मेरे लिए भी था. I lost my close friend and a lot of other things also happened, so I hope 2021 is going to be a better year. (2020) taught me how much I love myself because I was spending so much time with me and myself and my family, so I think I discovered a lot of things about myself in 2020. Fashion used to be very, very important for me, so much so that I would wear high heels till my feet used to hurt. But now for me, fashion is all about comfort. I still haven't got married, so I don't know how will I
I'm
look
sure
bridal in my own way.
Today she'll get an experience about how the brides are.
Yeah. Yeah. Is there a fashion show?
She will be a beautiful bride.
Huh? I'm waiting for my series to be launched. It's called Ghost Pieces for Amazon. इन्होंने दिखाया नहीं अभी तक. Surprise. Right.
We want everybody to be excited to come over.
Yeah.
That's the
To
reason
come
to
and
get them
see
all
it.
here today.
मैंने लास्ट ईयर का भी नहीं देखा था यार. So he's asking me to compare it. No worries. Thanks.
So happy to see you here, huh, Madhura? Gagan, maybe come in one of the pictures.
I receive everybody also.
Reena, Ivanka. Pull out from
Sure.
Come.
They want a solo picture. Over here, right?
Solo picture.
Yeah.
Yes.
What are the questions? Hi guys, first of all सबको big hi and happy new year of course. So मेरा नाम पूजा बिष्ट है and today I'm over here for this amazing launch of one of my friend Gagan Kumar and hopefully we all will love his collections. Let's see how it goes. No, I'm not there in the calendar. सब calendar में होंगे तो देखेगा कौन? You know, so. I'm very excited because अभी recently हम लोग अभी ऐसा feel कर रहे हैं कि we are COVID free now. So of course I'm really excited to see and उससे ज़्यादा excitement इस बात की है कि we are going back to normal. So I'm a big fan of fashion, but मेरे लिए fashion वो है जिसमें I feel confident and at the same time I should feel comfortable as well. कि ऐसे fashion का क्या use है कि आप comfortably feel ना करो. It should enhance your personality and it could be anything which makes you look better. Bridal look तो मुझे देखते ही ऐसा लगता है कि 2 घंटे मेकअप करना पड़ता है. So I personally love looking at brides और बहुत अच्छा लगता है बट अपने बारे में सोच के सकता हूँ माय गॉड इतना मेकअप कौन करेगा और इतना हैवी आउटफिट्स कौन पहनेगा बट at the end of the day we all are Indians and Indian girls they love a bridal outfit and Indian outfit and so do I. So yeah, there's a film of mine coming with Sunny Leone. अभी उसका tentative नाम Coca-Cola है but most probably they're gonna change the name and I'm really looking forward for that project because it's very different and it's a horror comedy. So really excited for that too. Yeah. 2020 ने ये सिखाया है कि कोई expectations ही मत रखो बस काम करते जाओ and live your life happily and just आप जो भी हार्ड वर्क करोगे of course you will get the जो भी रिजल्ट होगा वो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली होगा तो इसलिए ज़्यादा सोच के कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. आई थिंक just live your life happily at the end of the day that matters. Yeah. Actually, most of the part already we have shot. बस अभी थोड़ा बहुत बचा है like हफ्ता भर का work is left. So to be very frank, I love her. I mean, she's a wonderful person and इतना ज़्यादा जिस तरीके से उसका craze है सनी का, it's crazy. कि people are mad about her, but still she is so humble and down to earth and so hardworking that it's very inspiring. कि इस level पे पहुँच के भी humble रहना is very difficult, I feel. So there's a lot of things which I have learned from her is that कि of course be humble and do your hard work. Yes, why not? Most probably February, March. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
You again?
Tell us how come you are here? बड़ी मुश्किल से नजर आते हैं आप.
नहीं, मैं अक्सर वो नज़र आता हूँ, करीबन हर इवेंट पे नज़र आता हूँ और जहाँ पे भी कोई अच्छी चीज़ होने वाली होती है तो आई एम ऑलवेज देयर और इट्स वंडरफुल इवेंट और शुरुआत हो रही है यहाँ पे एंड आई वाज इनवाइटेड एंड इट्स अ प्लेजर टू बी हियर टू अराउंड वंडरफुल पीपल और वो अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. So it's always good to be there for the right people.
This is about calendar. How much you are into calendar? I know there's a very famous calendar from Dabur Ratnani.
जी.
How different you find this one?
Well, I will have a look and then I can give a feedback about the same for sure. But yes, यहाँ पे तो बड़ा there are few calendars which are always have been in the news and Kingfisher तो खैर है ही है. That has been the one. And Dabur Ratnani, yes, of course, he's been around for a long time and let's see. There's always dearths and there's always a scope for many more such events, such products in the market. So let's hope it will set a standard or it will be amongst the top 3, top 5 जैसे भी हम कह सकते हैं. That's it.
How easy or it was difficult to get him on board?
It was very difficult to get him on board in terms of finding out first of all that he'll come or no, but it was easy for me just because of Aju and Reena, my colleague and my friends and my family, for which he honored, and I'm very blessed to have him today. My occasion is just becoming bigger and bigger with the right people coming up, and I'm so thankful for you to come over.
It's always a pleasure. It's always a pleasure.
Apart from this, what happens on the professional front?
Apart from this, Lakshmi released recently in the month of November. I'm shooting for a couple of web series are going on. There's 2020 was bad. So in that, but still we try to
make it productive. I was in Kashmir for about 5 months. For the first time in my last 25 years, we did shoot about 3 web series. I directed one. I've written and directed the same web series for new OTT platforms. And one of our films was released on MX Play, that is Wishlist, starring Hina Khan and all other. Because we're a group of about 8 producers, you know, independent producers. We're not, like, of course, not as big as YRF and all, but we're trying to make a little difference, trying to contribute in our whatever capacity we can to create an industry out there also.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll see you upstairs.
Judge.
Pari? Tell Pari to wait. I'm going to see you upstairs. Finally, sir, आए थे क्या? रीना ऐसे देख रही है, तुम यहाँ रखे नहीं। रीना वहीं खड़ी है, अब देखो रीना के मुंह पे चमक। अब तो आधी इंडस्ट्री ऊपर पहुंच चुकी है देखने के लिए। सब जानना चाहते हैं कि कलेक्शन क्या है शाइन सिल्क का।
Everybody is so excited.
सारे कट्स ऊपर है। अब सारा आपको हाथ दिखाना है।
Absolutely. What?
काम ऐसे ही होना चाहिए।
Actually, true. I'm here for Gagan, and I'm really excited to see all his designs and everything. So I'm really excited.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. No.
सर रुकना है। Hi. Sorry,
लोग तो सवाल ही करेंगे ना.
When anybody talks about calendar, it's all about exclusivity, how exclusive you are, because that's what shows on the calendar. So yeah, it would be exclusivity.
Yeah, it's totally exclusive because this calendar is unbridled. So totally different.
Taken some references while working on the category?
We was not taking any reference, but we was doing a lot of homeworks. We are using our own creativity to make a new things, new concept, new styling with a new jewelry concept.
Yes, I believe references का ज़माना बहुत पुराना है. If you want to really be creative or if you really want to get something new on the table, you have to think loud and get it. And I think today's calendar will reveal our creativity. And hopefully, Blank Canvas as a company between me and Rohit, we always want to show that we have a good creative input. We do not need references anymore. Thank you.
Okay, what happened in professional front?
On my professional front, well, my movie is releasing.